Hello students, this is your course on content marketing. In this video on different types of content formats, we are going to talk about presentations and slide decks. Now we are definitely a generation of web users and PC users, laptop users, mobile users, very comfortable learning from PowerPoint presentations. Therefore, in the learning space, presentations and slide decks have a very permanent sort of place, and you see these as a way of educating the customer or making an impact with a lot of multimedia as well as important highlighted content inserted into it. But it is also a type of content format which can be used for content marketing purposes. And usually, this is something which is done by technical industries because they have the kind of target customer who will once again invest the time, energy, and effort to download a slide deck or have the patience of going through a slide deck for multiple minutes. So, this is definitely in the league of your case studies, ebooks, industry reports. Takes a little time to prepare, especially if you're including original content, then it takes some time to prepare, has to be properly designed, has to be created in such fashion that it is compatible with various devices and platforms. And then there is the question of distribution also. But once you prepare for such kind of content in your content calendar, this can definitely improve your SERP performance by contribution to content curation sites like SlideShare, where you have your target customer coming in, and if they see value in your slide decks, they can then be definitely become curious. They can definitely be routed to your website to explore more information and more value in your website. And this is definitely free traffic, and this is definitely something that can contribute to your search engine optimization efforts and improve your search engine ranking also. Then it can also be a great way, presentations are a great way to provide information in varied formats like audio, video, graphs, or images in a one consolidated document to your customers. So you don't have to send them separate text document and a separate audio file or a video file or a link to an image or a link to a video file. If you're trying to engage your customers one on one, or you don't have to create a zip folder of all that content. You don't have to really depend on creating a pathway for your customer to explore all sorts of connected content that you have created on your website. You can do all that by simply creating a well thought out slide deck and providing that to your customer either through email campaigns or providing the slide deck on your homepage or landing page, or hosting it in your resource center. So the idea here is that you want quality content concentrated and aesthetically designed in such fashion that a customer can quickly consume valuable information and form opinion about whether they want to remain associated with the brand and do business with it or not. So slide decks and presentations have been conventionally used by marketers to make pitches to their customers, and of course they have a widespread application for internal reporting. But content marketers are also waking up to the potential here, and they are therefore learning that this is a tool not to be ignored. Just like spreadsheets are still very much relevant for sharing important numeric information with internal stakeholders, presentations or slide decks can be the next big thing, next attractive thing in the content marketing space. And as content marketers of the future, you must know how to design them in the best possible formats and in the best possible layout, and include the right kind of communication to talk to your customers through this particular format. So that's about presentations and slide decks. Next up, we'll talk about quizzes and tools being another type of content format and how they gel into the content marketing strategy. Until then, thank you.